Welcome to the module GST Filing for Amazon B2B Orders. The objective of this session is to learn about filing GST returns for B2B orders on Amazon. Firstly, let us understand what a B2B order on Amazon is. Any order placed by Amazon's registered business customer on a seller enrolled in the B2B program is considered as a B2B order on Amazon. Firstly, let us understand the difference in filing GST returns between B2B orders and B2C orders. For B2C orders, it is sufficient to file tax returns at a summary level for overall B2C sales. Invoice value less than Rs 2.5 lakhs per invoice. However, for B2B orders, that is sales to GST registered customers, it is mandatory to file GST returns for every single B2B order at an invoice level, mentioning the invoice number and GST IN of the business customer. This is how the B2B and B2C sections appear on the GST portal. Next, let's see how to identify a B2B order on Amazon. On your Seller Central account, hover on the Orders tab and click on Manage Orders. Check for the Business Buyer badge next to the order ID. Click on Print Tax Invoice. If the GST IN of the business customer is printed on the tax invoice, it is a business-to-business B2B order. Else, it is a business-to-customer B2C order. Also, make sure to use the invoice number printed on the invoice for filing GSTR1 for B2B returns, as customers would use this invoice number to claim input tax credit. Now, let's see how to view a consolidated report for all your B2B orders. Go to Reports, Tax Document Library, Merchant Tax Report, B2B Reports. This report gives you invoice level details and the GST information of business customers for every B2B order and will be available by 6th of every month. You will find the latest B2B report of the previous month as shown in the top section of the page. Click on B2B Reports and download it to send to your accountant or GST service provider for filing GSTR1 at an invoice level. In case you want to download reports for previous months, you can select the month for which you want the B2B report and click on Download Reports. Do's and don'ts related to B2B GST filing. Please consider only Merchant Tax Report (MTR) for all tax reporting requirements for the B2B sales made through Amazon.in. Report all B2B invoices generated from your Amazon Seller Central account at invoice level with right invoice numbers as per B2B report available under Merchant Tax Report (MTR) section. Review all of your B2B orders received on Amazon.in and ensure to report them only under B2B section. If reported under B2C section earlier, please check with your accountant to make suitable corrections. At your GST portal, update your business customers as the receiver. Showing Amazon as the receiver is incorrect and will deny input tax credit to business customers. Not following the above precautions for GST compliance could result in the following. For frequently asked questions related to B2B GST filing, please search for GST filing for B2B orders in the Search tab to access the help page on Seller Central. Thank you.